Alright guys, so the wait is over. The Import Garage t-shirts are available. Here's what they look like. I will have the website below for these. Here's the back of the t-shirt, and then here's the front. It's a very nice, high quality, soft t-shirt. So if you want one, they are very, very limited. They are in the website, link in description. It is called theimportplace.com. As well with these t-shirts, I have this sticker, a sticker of this graphic on the back here, and then I have a sticker of the graphic on the front as well, along with a lot of other Volkswagen t-shirts, Mark IV in general, on the website that you could go ahead and purchase. Now, if you are purchasing anything, you got to give me like 2 days before anything ships out, because obviously I got a lot going on. I work a full-time job. I work on this car, so to fit everything in, it's definitely going to be tight, but give me 2 days from your purchase till it ships out, and it's all yours. But don't forget, go buy one and enjoy. Peace. Alright, what's going on, guys? So today is the big day. Today is the day we finally get to drop the engine into the beautiful engine bay. I haven't had a video in the past week or so, 2 weeks maybe. Obviously, I've been working getting this thing done. I'll update you guys on the little stuff that I did do because I didn't film it all. But I do now have my braided fuel lines in. I got my new power steering lines in. Obviously the motor mounts, they're good. Everything is mounted for the brakes, all permanent, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just waiting for my dad to get here. He's bringing the torque wrench. He's bringing a couple other tools. We're gonna get the engine on the hoist over there, and then mount the clutch and put the tranny on, and then we're go to put the engine in. I'm excited. What about you?
Pretty excited.
Pretty excited? Where's your voice?
No, I lost my voice. Stop it.
Damn. Let's see if I could give you guys another look of what my fuel line's looking like. So, I ran -6 from the tank back, so here's how I did that. That's what that's looking like. Just bulkhead fittings into the top of the fuel pump with 90-degree vibrant fittings to the lines, and they run all the way under the car in the factory location, and then right to the engine bay. So that's it. I got everything in here pretty much put together. New seat covers for the Recaro pole positions are coming, and then we're almost there. So we got the engine hoist out. I finished putting a couple things on the side, like the engine mount and then the motor mount or whatever. And I painted the other transmission mount. You can't really see because it's black, but we're just figuring out the most efficient way to mount or to strap up the engine so we don't damage anything, because that would suck. There we go. Now we just gotta drop it on the ground.
I hope not.
We're just gonna.
I hope not.
Just gonna kick this son of a bitch.
How to blow $20,000 in 10 seconds. Ready?
I want to take this off, if you don't mind.
For what? You can take it off, yeah.
Yeah, I want to take that off. So.
What do you need?
Looks like a 5mm Allen.
Yep, I got that.
Because this looks like it's very, very breakable, and I don't want to.
Yeah, don't break that. No. Dang, this Bang energy drink has got me shaking. Jess, what are you filming?
Got me shaking.
I don't know.
You're filming the engine. I'm all the way over here. Like,
Fat clouds.
alright. I have my nose.
I'm not a trickster, by the way. I can't do all those cool things. Alright.
So, we're making sure the clutch is on this time. I don't know if you guys remember, but it fell off. It fell off last year.
You did a good job buffing it.
What's up?
You did a good job buffing it.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth.
Pisses me off he didn't come and wet sand it for you.
I know.
After paying that kind of... That was a joke.
Rub into the starter right here if I can. Alright.
You gotta get it up. The axle's gotta go in there.
Back up. Jeremy, back up.
This is the sucky part. Toast brown.
Go ahead, Jeremy.
What screws?
Nobody told him which ones. He asked 3 times.
Yeah, he did.
Alright, we'll sit here and hold this.
They have little tips on them. These?
Nope, they're smaller. No, oh, right here, on top of the engine. That was my fault. I did it there. My knee's supporting this.
Where is it going? Right here?
Hold on, let's get it back in there. Oh, I found it.
Wow.
Damn.
I am tired.
I'll man
The only problem that I'm worried about is we got to get it low enough not to hit the master cylinder.
Straight in.
You can straight in. Bring it straight in. Kevin, just watch your end. I'll watch my end.
Yep.
I think we might be able to clear that. I think.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, you're good. Still good. You're good. Yep. Somebody filming this?
Mhm.
Good job, Jess. I appreciate you.
Jess, you're a stud muffin. Let me know when you want me to come over there.
They're good over there.
Yeah, no, we got plenty of room.
Engine's not going down anymore, just you know.
Why not?
Oh, unless it's just. See? Go ahead.
Has to go down.
Yeah.
Ooh. You're good, you're good. You're fine. Stop.
Pull that back out, right? Yeah, it's pretty much.
You're lined up, dude. Go ahead down. Jared, watch out of the way, okay, look.
You stick this
Go down,
extension in there to line it up, or a screwdriver?
Alright, go up a little bit. Go up a little bit.
Oh my god!
Should be over there.
Look, guys! That was scary as hell. Thank you.
Why are you pointing it at me? He's the only one that's scared. He's the only one who's got the lot on the line.
I don't know, dude. I
Yeah, but I'm replacing
don't know. With what?
same beauty washers like that.
It's fine.
Got you. Told you that. Alright, you could even have put that. You
All right,
could
you want to give them a
you
word?
could even have waited to put the turbo manifold on. All that fucking room.
Look how much room he
Hey, it's a good
has.
thing now if it breaks, I don't have to take the engine out.
Alright, let's get the hoist out. Good.
Alright, so sorry I haven't been talking to the camera much at all. Obviously, you guys seen I've been trying to get this thing done. I've had an energy drink, I'm going crazy. I felt like my head was falling off or some shit like that. So let me guys give you another rundown with the engine in. See what it looks like. Obviously, everything is so clean. Everything is brand new. We took super care and extra precaution to make sure that we didn't ding anything up. But now that this is in, I could go ahead and do a little stuff, run my wires, get my hoses going, and we're looking good here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna call it a night. Let's spin this turbo. Oh yeah. So what do you think?
It's looking mint.
What about you?
Looks amazing.
It looks amazing.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so like I said in the beginning of the video, the t-shirts are now for sale. The website is below. Make sure you go get your t-shirt. They are very limited. I got from small to extra large. So go get your t-shirt, go get your stickers.
Get your merch.
Get your merch.
Get your merch.
Link in bio. Support the build. Help me get my car painted. Nah, I'm only kidding. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to have this engine back into the car, and the way it's looking is just, damn, I'm speechless. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Chains on shining, you can see me riding.